Imagine the future. A world where you could travel from New York to Washington, D.C. in just 30 minutes. Is this possible? Picture our current modes of transportation: airplanes, trains, cars, all with their own set of limitations. Time-consuming, fuel-guzzling, and fraught with delays, they often fall short of our fast-paced, efficiency-driven lifestyles. But what if there was a better way? A method of travel that breaks free from these constraints, offering speed and efficiency like never before. Enter the Hyperloop, a revolutionary concept that's set to redefine travel as we know it. Envision a passenger pod zooming through a low-pressure tube at near supersonic speeds, a system powered by renewable energy, slashing travel times and reducing our carbon footprint. No more long waits, no more traffic jams, just swift, seamless journeys. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. This is a real, tangible future that's within our grasp. Welcome to the future of transportation. Welcome to the world of Hyperloop. So, what exactly is this Hyperloop and how does it work? Well, think of Hyperloop as a futuristic train, but instead of running on tracks, it levitates magnetically and zips along inside a vacuum tube. The absence of air resistance in the tube allows it to reach speeds that would make a Formula One car blush. The concept of Hyperloop was first brought into the light by Elon Musk, the visionary behind companies like SpaceX and Tesla. He envisioned a mode of transport that could outspeed an airplane, yet be more energy efficient. But he didn't stop at just ideating. He open-sourced the idea, inviting innovators worldwide to bring it to life. Today, several companies, including Virgin Hyperloop and Hyperloop Transportation Technologies, are working tirelessly to turn this concept into reality. They're not just aiming to make travel faster, they're seeking to redefine the way we move. Hyperloop aims to revolutionize transportation as we know it, making it faster and more efficient. Now that we understand what Hyperloop